boy Jayval here. So guys, now Windows 11 stable version is released. So now today in this video we will see that how we can install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware without TPM and without secure boot. Now let us check the first system requirements of Windows 11.
The groups that we're dealing with now.
So you can see that browser is open. So now to check the Windows 11 system requirements, just type here Windows 11 system requirements. So now open the first link, and the link is also given in description box. You can directly go from there. So now these are the main system requirements for Windows 11, and these are recommended. So you need at least 1 GHz processor or faster, and obviously in 2021 all PCs have 1 GHz processor or faster than it. So and it should be dual core or more than dual core it should, and it should be 64-bit processor. 32-bit it will give you a lag. And now the RAM should be almost 4 GB RAM, and storage should be 64 GB or larger than 64 GB. It's okay. And it should be UEFI capable, means secure boot capable, and it also requires TPM version 2.0. So today in this video I will tell you how you can install Windows 11 without TPM and without secure boot. Because if you try to install this Windows 11 on unsupported PC, it gives you an error. So today let's check it. So first, to install this Windows 11, we need its ISO first. So open a new tab of browser and type here Windows 11 disk image. Disk image download. And guys, this is the stable version. You can try it, and it is publicly released. So you can see that it is original Microsoft ISO https://www.microsoft.com, and the link is also given in description box. So here now if you are using Windows 10, then you can try this method. This will what you do, it will install a tool for it, and then you can directly upgrade your PC from Windows 10 to 11. But this will mostly work in only Windows 10, and this is for all Windows. Even if you are using Windows Vista, then also this will work. What this will do, this will download a media creation tool for it, like in Windows 10 we do, and it will install the Windows 11 ISO for you. And this is the recommended step. I recommend you to do from this one. It will save your time. So this is also a third method. It will directly download the ISO from a browser. So let me show you. And guys, you need 5 to 10 GB internet for this. And after clicking on this download button, first select your Windows 11, then click on download button and select the language and click on now confirm button. And now Windows 11 is only available for 64-bit. Download it. So now you can see that it is a 5.12 GB. So please take care of internet. So now I will cancel the download as I have already downloaded. So now to install this on unsupported hardware, we need to download a utility software for this. For that, just the software name is Win2HDD. This is the best software for downloading and install Windows 11 in unsupported PC. The link is also given in description box. So now we will do only from the free version. So you can see that many things you can do in this software. You can install, reinstall, clone Windows 11, 10, 8, 7 Vista and Windows Server without CD, DVD or USB drives. So now let us download the software. So it is of 9 MB. And guys, for this process you don't need any pen drive, CD or DVD. So let us close the browser. So it is successfully installed. Now click on open folder, or from your browser click on show in folder, and now right click on this setup and click on run as administrator. and if it asks for permission, then give it yes. Now close the file explorer. Now and now click on OK. Now click on I accept the agreement. Now install it. So now click on finish, and guys close the browser. And now again I would like to tell you that all the C drive data will be deleted, and this, if you store in any other drives, it will not get deleted, it will be untouched. So I recommend you to do that. Take a backup of your C drive, and you see all these folders, these all are part of C drive only. So take a backup of this. And again I would like to tell you that copy this file and paste it in your D drive. Create a new folder and paste it. Let us give a name. Open it. Now click on Ctrl V and paste it, and save the ISO file in also the other drive. Don't save it on C drive, otherwise this process will not work. And obviously we are going to format this drive, that's why. So now open this software, right click and click on Run as Administrator. So close this browser. So now click on OK, and now you can see that all settings are told us here. So now click on Reinstall Windows, because we have to reinstall our Windows. Guys, it will take some time. If it takes time, then give it time. Don't launch it again and again, otherwise it can get crashed. Now locate the path of your ISO file which you have downloaded from the Microsoft website. So I have stored in this drive. Into HDD folder. This is my ISO file. So you can see that these are the versions of Windows 11. So and architecture is 64-bit, and it is only available for 64-bit only. And I recommend you to download and install Windows 11 Pro. It is the best version. It provides you all facilities. Now click on next button. Guys, this depends on your configuration of your PC. So give it time. So guys, now let's start the main installation of Windows 11. So now after you click on the next button, after you load the ISO and select the version, don't change anything here. Remain it as it is. It will select here automatically all the disks here. And I again tell you that take a backup of your computer. Store all the data in other drives or take it in a pen drive or CD. So that's a better way. And don't store any or important data in C drive, otherwise it will get deleted. So now let's start the main installation. Click on next button, and it is telling that it will build a WinP image. So click on yes, and it can take some time. So give it time. So guys, now we will meet you then this WinP image gets built successfully. So guys, now let's start the main installation. So before starting the installation, I again repeat that take all your backup of your drives and also note the size of your drives. So let's start the installation. And don't store the Windows 11 ISO and the main app in the C drive. Store it on any other drive. You can see that I have already done it. Let me show you. So you can see that I have created a new folder, Windows 2 HDD, with the drive, and I have stored in all that. Different drive I have stored. Don't store any data on C drive because C drive will be formatted. So now let's start the installation. For starting the installation, just click on next, and here click on yes button, and here don't touch anything. This tells that the C drive will only get formatted, and the other drive it will remain untouched. So now let's start the installation. Click on yes button. So it is telling that an input is required for completing this operation. So now click on yes. So guys, it will take some time. Don't quit the application. So now you can see that our PC has restarted. So it will continue. And guys, in this process your PC will get multiple time restart and again started. So don't worry, it will not cause any harm to your PC. And guys, till that I would like to tell you that if you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it, press the bell icon and hit the like button to stay notified about my latest uploads. So now you can see that now the Windows 10 old logo will come, but this will be the main application which we have which we have done the setting in that application. It will run now, it will get executed. So you can see that the application is performing its process. So give it time here, don't quit this process, otherwise it can get corrupted. So it will, the time will be depend upon your system disk here, that if you are having HDD or SSD. So give it time. And in this process it will get restarted again and again, so don't worry. So guys, I will meet you when this process gets completed. And guys, this process will also work on supported PC also. This will work on both supported PC and unsupported PCs both. And guys, if you are using laptop or PC both, don't turn off your PC. Otherwise the installation will get corrupted. So guys, now you can see that here the option is coming that check the second option, don't check the first option, don't check the second option. It is the recommended. If you check the second option and uncheck this, then also it is okay, but I recommend you to check the first option. And guys, one thing I would like to tell you that if you are using any Wi-Fi dongle, Bluetooth dongle or anything in your desktop or laptop, just unplug it and don't plug anything. If you are using wired mouse or wired keyboard, plug in that only. Otherwise, they can also get corrupted. And this here, all you have to unplug it in all the Windows installations. So now you can see that the installation is completed and now my PC is restarting. So let's wait. And guys, now you can see that the Windows 11 intro has been started. So now let's wait for some time. This means that Windows 11 is successfully installed.
The dangerous groups that we're dealing with now.
And guys, this thing we have done it without our pen drive, CD or any DVD. And guys, here it will take some time. If your computer's configuration are low, then it will take some time. It can show you a black screen also. And now it will set up all the hardware and the software drivers, it will install it. And guys, I will meet you when this process gets completed. Guys, you have to give little bit time here. Don't turn off your PC, otherwise this whole installation will get corrupted. And if you quit this process, this is the main installation of drivers in your PC. So again guys, this process depends on your hard disk, that if you are using HDD or SSD. If you are using SSD, then it will be more faster than the HDD. And guys, this is the genuine this is the genuine version of Windows. I have downloaded and installed this Windows 11 from Microsoft. You have seen the earlier process that I have done and installed the ISO. Downloaded also. I have shown you that method. Guys, till that I would like to tell you that if you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it. Press the bell icon and hit the like button to stay notified about my latest uploads. So now you can see that the getting ready process is completed, and now it is starting and my PC is restarted again. And guys, again I am telling you that your PC will restart several times, so don't worry, let the process be continued. Remain it as it is. And guys, now you can see that the just a moment screen has been appeared. Now the Windows 11 is successfully installed. And now let's do the further process. Guys, here also it will take some time. Guys, if you have not visited my website, then please visit it. Its name is appkhazana.com. Here you can find latest apps, games and web apps made by me, and recently we have created our new Android web page. Here you can find latest Android app, and we have also posted our first app, that is the Paint app. So guys, now you can see that Windows 11 is installed, and you can see the beautiful intro of it, that how it is starting. And all the sounds are everything is changed. So now let us select our region here. So I live in India, so let us select. This is the India. Now select the region in which where do you live and click on yes. And now I will choose English India. And if you want to add a second keyboard layout, then add it if you want. Here from you can do it. Otherwise skip this. So now this is for a Wi-Fi network. So right now just click on I don't have internet, otherwise it will tell you all the create the Microsoft account and all that. So now also here click on continue with limited setup. So this is the license agreement of it, so accept it. So here put the name of your PC. So after putting the name, just click on next and here enter a password. If you don't want to enter a password, just without entering it, click on next button, it will get executed and the password will not get installed. So now let me put a password.
This is the dangerous groups that we're dealing with now.
So now let's click on next button and here retype that password. And these settings you can change it afterwards also. And these are the security questions. Means when you forgot your password, it will ask the security question, and if you answer all three correct, then the Windows will allow you to change the password. So there are three questions, so any three you can select. So I recommend you to close all this because Microsoft can track you from this. Close everything. It is not recommended for a normal user. And click on check disable all that option and click on accept. And now it is scrolling high. This is the main intro, and after that we will see our desktop. This is the main screen. Guys, you can see that the main screen has changed, everything is changed. You can see that how beautiful it is looking. And Windows 11 is the best Windows for gamers. Microsoft has announced that. Guys, this also depends upon your configurations, that you are using HDD or SSD. If you are using SSD, then this process will execute more faster. So all the default apps are getting installed. And see, this is also telling that keep your PC on and plugged in. Otherwise, the installation will get corrupted. Means your PC or laptop should not be turned off. And if you are using laptop during the installation, always keep your charger plugged in. Guys, now you can see that Windows 11 is successfully installed. So that's all in this video, guys, and I would like to tell you that if you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it. Press the bell icon and hit the like button to stay notified about my latest uploads. So after all this, all the videos you will see in Windows 11 only. So now let us see that I have installed this on unsupported hardware. So let me show you. For that, just click on start button and search here tpm.msc. And it will take some time. So now you can see that the TPM is not enabled in this PC. And now let me show you that of secure boot also. And guys, in the earlier video I have told that it is not now supporting the Android apps, but after some updates it will support in the mid-year of 2022. And let us now see the GPT partition, that secure boot. For that, just open computer management, search here computer management. And guys, I recommend you to if you want to use Windows 11, then your PC of must be i3 processor, 4th generation should be there, 4 GB RAM installed, and it should at least have 64 GB hard disk or SSD. So this is all the disks. And to check the UEFI or secure boot, just go to properties, right click and go to properties and go to volume tab, and now you can see that it is MBR, means GPT is not supported. So if GPT is also not supported, then the UEFI will not there, and if UEFI will not there, then the secure boot will also not there. So now let us check the partition that all are formatted or not. So guys, as you can see that I have told that only the C drive will be get formatted, and the D drive, which I was telling that it will not get formatted. So that's all in this video guys. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye. Till that, if you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it. Press the bell icon and hit the like button to stay notified about my latest uploads. And if you have not visited my website, then please visit it. Its name is appkhazana.com. Here you can find latest apps, games and web apps made by me. And recently we have created our new Android web page. In that we have also posted our first Android app, that is the Paint app. So that's all in this video guys. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.